This is the inspiring story of Bilal, a man who was born a slave but became a symbol of faith, patience, and dignity in Islam. Bilal's mother was once a princess from a powerful African kingdom, but after a rebellion and defeat, she was captured and sold into slavery in Makkah. Bilal was born into slavery and served one of the most ruthless men of Quraysh, Umayyah ibn Khalaf. When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began preaching Islam, Bilal's heart was filled with faith, but his master was furious. To force Bilal to abandon his belief, Umayyah tortured him brutally. He was beaten, dragged through the streets, and made to lie on the scorching desert sand with a heavy metal plate on his chest. Yet, through every pain and every lash, Bilal only repeated one word, Ahad, Ahad. Allah is one. His unshakable faith inspired the early Muslims. Finally, Abu Bakr Allaho Anho purchased Bilal's freedom, and from that day, Bilal was no longer a slave. He was free in body and soul. Bilal remained by the Prophet's side through every battle, Badr, Uhud, Khandaq, and Khaybar, serving as a loyal companion and the Prophet's close aide. When Makkah was conquered, the Prophet, peace be upon him, gave Bilal the greatest honor. He was chosen to call the first azan, the call to prayer, from the roof of the Kaaba. His voice echoed across Makkah, a powerful symbol of Islam's message of equality and justice. Later, Bilal would also give the first azan in Medina and Jerusalem, and he remained devoted to the memory of the Prophet until his last breath. Bilal Allaho Anho had no children, but his legacy still lives on in the hearts of millions. His story is a timeless reminder that true strength lies not in power or wealth, but in faith, patience, and devotion to Allah.